My name is Wendy Buskop, and I'm the managing patent attorney for the Buskop Law Group. And as a patent attorney, we practice and have licenses to practice specially before the United States Patent and Trademark Office. Not all attorneys have that, but most attorneys can practice trade secret law, which is the protection of inventions as governed under state law. There are three types of agreements that govern trade secrets. They're actually directional. One is a two-way agreement, which means the parties can share their trade secrets with each other. The second one is a one-way agreement from one party to another. And the third agreement is from a hostile party or a different party back into the client. So there's two one-way agreements and one bidirectional agreement. These three agreements all are referred to as secrecy agreements or non-disclosure agreements or confidentiality agreements. In other words, all three words mean the same agreement. The agreements differ by two fundamental terms of the agreement. The one is the duration of the agreement. If my client is releasing its trade secret to someone else, we want that length of time to be very long, like 20 years. But if my client is receiving that information from someone else, we want that agreement to only last a few years at most, and preferably only 6 months. So the term of the agreement changes depending on the directionality of the release of the secret information. Another term that changes based on which way the agreement has been crafted is the scope, meaning the word choice defining the invention. For example, if I'm working for some doctors and it's a heart valve, I'm going to use a scope that says medical devices if I'm releasing the information. But if I'm receiving information, I'm going to use a scope definition which says a heart valve that monitors a heart beating from 62 to 69 beats per second in a person aged 40 to 45, because that's a much more specific definition of what the trade secret is that I'm being told about, and hence my liability will be shorter. So trade secrets and trade secret agreements are something that all lawyers can handle, and they're governed by state jurisdictions. I'm Wendy Buskop, and we'd like to help someone you know patent their invention.